how should I say this? I'm so excited. After almost 1.5 years, I've been doing Zoom, and I've got sick of Zoom. And it is my greatest honor to actually land up in this abode, this residence of a man who we've watched for millions of years, I feel. He's just been always so fantastic, always had the pulse of how it should work. And the combination of the man sitting in the middle over there, who looks like a younger brother of himself, like I met about a year and a half back. The great Bapi Da with us. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. It really is a pleasure. And of course, Shamir Tandon and the future. The boy who when I met him about last week, the swag, the energy, the style, it cannot be bought. It's part of this, is right there. The grandson, Rego B, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All your blessings.
Before I come to the legends of our industry, and Shamir is no less. You are the most comfortable, no matter what the name is. Be it a Salman Khan, be it your grandfather, Bapi Da yourself, be it Shamir, doesn't matter. It looks like, how they say that you were born for this? Yes. Have you always been like this?
Yes, I've always been like this. So when I was small, so I want to take my grandfather's name and fame forward. Yeah, so I follow his footsteps, and then I see, and then I hear his music, and then I see his bling, his attitude and his expressions. Yeah, and so
that's. And you've got the cheeks that people will want to pull. He's so cute. Bapi Da, you must be so proud. Iska energy, iska performance level, singing, chalo Shamir Da the, to ho jayega, but attitude or swag or जो requirement है industry के लिए, he has everything.
First of all, my family is like this.
Yes. Okay.
My father was big singer.
Yes.
Mother big singer, classical singer in Bengal.
Right.
Then I came Bombay. And after my daughter Rima Lahiri, her mother.
Yes.
She has got Little Star platinum disc.
Oh, wow.
That time it's from same company, Saregama.
Correct.
आप सोचिए. After that, Little Star के बाद she sang so many film songs.
Yes.
Like Thanedar, Mujrim, so many. With me, all child artist.
Correct.
Rock dancer में गाना गाए थे. लेकिन अभी एक चीज़ क्या हुआ, इसको बाद जो my son Bappa also become music director, composer. But अचानक इसका अंदर जो टैलेंट है, ये टैलेंट तो by grace of the God.
Yes, I agree.
कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. मैं अभी उनको बोल रहे थे, समीर जी जो गाना कंपोज किया, हिट गाना कंपोज किया.
Correct.
जब मैंने गाना गाया तो बम्बई से आया मेरा दोस्त, तो उसको सलाम करो. कितना बड़े बड़े सिंगर थे, एक में सिक्सर. उस गाने से हो गया. गाना इतना पसंद किया. देखिए दर्शक जो हैं, पब्लिक जो है, गॉड है. पब्लिक को पसंद आना चाहिए. आप 10 बार बजाने के कुछ नहीं होता है. पब्लिक को पसंद होना चाहिए. इनका गाना पब्लिक को पसंद आया. आई थिंक I'll be grateful to all my fans, plus Rego's fans and Samir ji's fans. सब मिलके जो काम किया, बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ.
Shamir Da, he has no baggage of the great Bapi Da. His, even Bappa is so chilled out. Mom is also chilled out. He is very relaxed. Was he that relaxed in recording? And even you are very chilled out yourself also. but people sort of underestimate how much understanding and the connection that you have with all the stars over the years.
So yeah, while that goes true, I'm blessed, to have worked with the only person in this generation to have worked with Manna Da, for example. Jagjit Singh.
Yes.
Lata Bai's last song is with me. Ashuji, anyway, we keep doing a lot of work with. So I'm blessed by Almighty. But I have to share an interesting story about this whole thing. Saregama, Vikram Mehra and I we took on ourselves that children are not getting healthy content to consume.
Correct.
Because the kind of dance and party songs that are being made have either words or thoughts which are not very children friendly, you know.
True.
They're either talking about daru and sharab, or
Yes.
they're talking about women, or they're talking about large vehicles to impress women.
Yeah,
Or you know what I'm trying to get
Absolutely,
at.
of course.
So, and some things which we don't want our progeny or our next generation to come up with. So, Vikram Mehra, CEO, Saregama, and I thought it's a great idea to have similar party songs
Yeah.
with attitude and rap, but rap does not necessarily mean that it has to have
Profanities.
vituperative lingua franca.
Yes.
So then we thought, so I set out and I took the onus on myself to audition a bunch of kids, and I saw उन दिनों Zoom, like you rightly said, तो Zoom पे या फिर वो video clips लोग भेज रहे थे, माएँ बाप अपने बच्चों का भेज रहे थे, 50 मेरे पास आए, मैंने ऑडिशन किए, एक समांथा भी हैं वोकल कोच, उनके थ्रू मैंने कुछ मंगाए और हमने बहुत सारे बच्चे देखे, हमें बहुत अच्छे लगे, हमें एक बच्चा स्टैंड आउट हुआ, उसका नाम था स्वस्तिक बंसल। तो हमने कहा ये स्वस्तिक बंसल अच्छा है, इसको बुलाओ। मैंने कहा ये चबी बच्चे को बुलाओ, ये अच्छा है। तो वो आए और अपनी चबी मम्मी के साथ आए और हमने कहा इसी बच्चे के साथ करेंगे। पीछे से जब मैंने देखा रीमा जी को और जब आगे से देखा, मैंने कहा अरे ये तो पप्पी था। तो मैंने ये बंसल, अरे बताया नहीं ये तो यू नो रीमा मैरिड अ बंसल, तो ये स्वस्तिक बंसल है। What I'm trying to get at is,
Did not use Bapida's name.
yes, his name did not have any Lahiri for me to get impressed and say, "Arey, Bapi Lahiri's grandson."
But I have a feeling if he had used Lahiri, you might not have chosen him.
May not, yeah.
Because you
I would have had a
said, "Oh,
bias.
Then
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
have,
yeah.
if I don't impress Bapida, then the song only won't happen.
No, more than that, I mean, we've always had wonderful relationships, and Bapida has been a god for me because मुझे याद है ऐसा कोई भी कॉलेज या स्कूल का फंक्शन नहीं हुआ होगा जहाँ मैंने दादा के, और जब 6-8 की मेडली शुरू होती थी तो उसका सबसे बड़ा पहला गाना वही होता था, बम्बई से आया मेरा दोस्त। वो हर 6-8 की मेडली का पहला गाना वही होता था, यू नो। सो मतलब ये स्टेपल डाइट रहे हैं। कभी हमें बहुत रोमांटिक गाना होता था तो वो साहिब का गाना गाते थे, यू नो, थिंग्स लाइक दैट। तो दादा की एक नॉन स्टॉप मेडली हमारे दिमाग में बजती रहती थी। एंड आई हैव आल्सो हैड द गुड फॉर्च्यून ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग दादा फॉर अ फिल्म दैट ऑफ कोर्स डिडंट सी द लाइट डे, बट सो मैं कहने का तात्पर्य ये था दैट रेगो बी फॉर मी इज स्वस्तिक बंसल। यू नो, ही हैज, फॉर मी आई डिडंट सी द लीनेज, आई जस्ट सॉ हिम and his intrinsic talent was speaking for himself. And then when I realized that he's Bapida's grandson and Bappa's nephew and Rimaji's son, I said no wonder, you know, the kid.
But you know, it's not just the musical talent. What I was so impressed also with him was the incredible confidence. And I asked him this, and he said, coming from this family and the opportunity to meet extremely huge names, he's not overawed by the occasion. Did you go into the studio and ever once feel, oh my God, this is like happening now? Never?
No, I never felt that because I have done shows with Grandpa
Yes.
many times.
Yeah.
And then I have never faced nervousness or any like from your inside body you feel, oh no, I can't do this, I'm a little scared. I don't have that kind of feeling because
But the industry will send more messages with regard to you directly now.
Yeah.
You know, I like his singing. I don't like it or whatever.
Yes, sir.
So what were the impressions, not of your friends, because your friends will say, wow. But what did Bappa get? Have you been finding out within the family only what messages you've been getting?
So my friends, they message me all good, everything going on very nice, and then my family, like my mama, he loved it, and my grandpa wrote that super hit song. ऐसा song कभी बना नहीं है बच्चे लोग के बारे में. Album super hit है. You are a good singer, and Shamir sir is a very good composer, and then everything else, the programming, the look and the lighting, everything is perfect. So yeah, these are the feedbacks that I got from my family.
See, I have to tell you something that with Rego when we were recording, एक होता है ना कि बच्चा आता है तो पहले आप उसको पैम्पर करते हैं. The first thing you want to do when you're working with a child. तो मैंने अपने टीम को कहा पिज्जा मंगाओ, बर्गर मंगाओ. बोला नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं खाऊंगा. He's so disciplined, you know. मैं टेक करूंगा पहले.
एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको ये बच्चा दिख रहा है. He walks in, you just go.
Yeah, full attitude.
I walked in and I said, I have to stand up. He's such a tall. So repeat how old you are.
I'm 12. sir.
11.
I
Can
just-
you imagine?
I just turned 12.
Dada, of course, says 11. So he's about to turn 12, but incredibly tall, and the vibe, that the positive energy is fantastic.
मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, Salil, which is the main thing in any singer.
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं इसको एक फीडबैक दूं कि बेटा यार इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे गाना, he'll immediately understand it because like Dada will endorse कि a singer is not just a vocalist, he's a thinker. You have to sing from your mind also, you know, मतलब समझना कि मैंने क्या गलत किया और क्या सही किया. And he's almost a one take artist. जब मैंने 2-3 रिहर्सल की, जैसे हमने दादा से सीखा है कि पुराने स्कूल में पहले रिहर्सल करवाओ,
Yes.
फिर माइक पे जाओ, you know. तो जब हमने रिहर्सल की, मजे किए, जब हम फाइनली स्टूडियो में जाके रिकॉर्ड किया, he was almost like a one take artist, you know, because he had assimilated the song, he had learned it, and not just getting the sur and tal right, his expression on every word.
Yeah.
His expression on every word is impeccable, you know, and I think that's what makes the song.
Dada, you will obviously feel
First
proud.
of all,
Yes.
मैंने एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. Rego B is my grandson. That is a different story. I introduced so many artists in Mumbai.
Yes.
Like Alisha Jina, Usha Uttup, Narayana, so many. Rego's, what I like, when Michael Jackson came here,
Yes.
he meets me here in
Yes,
Bombay,
always.
Bombay,
Yes.
Chakre Sahab House.
Yes.
When I saw the program, उसमें देखा non-stop dance करता है, गाना गाता है.
Yes.
वही मैं चाहता था रेगो का अंदर गाना गाओ एंड नॉन स्टॉप गाओ. अब समझ गए ना, हम जैसा गाना रख के गाते हैं, उसके अंदर ये खूबी है, गाने को पूरा कर लेता है. गाना आप तो देखे होंगे रिकॉर्डिंग में.
Yes.
गाना
Memory बहुत अच्छा है.
मेमोरी अच्छा है, बस भगवान का दया, उनका अच्छा है. तो मेरा हिसाब से ये सबसे बड़ी खूबी है. बहुत सिंगर है, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन नॉन स्टॉप डांस करके गाना गाना. अभी तो ये तो गाना चल रहा, गाना गाए बच्चा पार्टी चल, जो गाना गाया है चालू गाना है सब पे, बच्चे लोग की जगह. लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छा गाना गाता है, ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक सॉन्ग.
Really?
जैसे एल्टन जॉन हो, कोई भी हो, जस्टिन बीबर हो,
Acha.
फैंटास्टिक गाता है.
I'm going to hear both of that right now. That's the beauty. Yeah, we can actually sing that because this is an English program also. You can. But one thing I want to know is, when he was a child on stage, how did you?
He sang one song,
Yeah.
I love my football. Because why? फुटबॉल क्या, मैराडोना के साथ मैं मिला था.
Wow.
With कौन?
When he went Maradona, when he went with you.
So 2016 with Maradona, Diego.
Yeah.
इतना छोटा था, बट से लंबा हो गया.
But it's true. So your grooming.
पहला गाना वही गाया था.
Acha. Can I hear it? Can I hear it? Do you remember the lyrics?
फुटबॉल इज माय लाइफ.
Yeah. Football is my dream. Football is my goal. Football is my heart. Football is my soul. Summer, winter, in the rains, I would like to play. Summer, winter, in the rains, I would like to play. Oh, mother, bless me.
Oh, nice. This is and Bapita just throwing in the name of Maradona in between there. So I just want to explain to
You
you.
can see the YouTube.
Yeah, of course, it's there.
गाना
Yeah, it's there in YouTube.
ये गाना है.
It'll be amazing. I'm going to actually have him sing Bacha Party as well. We take a little break and come right back. I just feel so sad that we can't have him sing and jump around. Unfortunately, we have to just sit. I've only seen him jump around and sing everywhere whenever he's promoted it. We'll take a little break and come right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, you're back on Star Stop with me, Salil. We've got, well, every time it's such an honor to meet Bapida and an incredible memory that he has. You know, it's, so I've been doing radio for over 20 years and Bapida came to my studio almost like, what, 13, 14 years ago. And the moment I sat down, I remembered.
Right.
I would like to think that I've not aged that much, but it's only because of your memory, Bapida. Thank you so much for remembering such moments. And of course, the man who, as Bapida mentioned, such big names like Maradona and Michael Jackson, it's also commonplace for Shamir Tandon to have these kind of celebrities and names with him. which I'll ask him also, how he's always managed to maintain the quality with the big stars. You know, it's very difficult to direct people who've reached a certain level. You don't know what to say to them. Sometimes you feel, should I let them just be on their own? It happens with actors, you know, so that happens. And then you come down to a Rego B. So right there at the grassroots level. So thanks again, Rego, for joining us. Love you, and I think you're going to be a superstar again.
Yes.
But Shameelda, how do you do this? How do you tell, or do you just let it be and just run its course with these stars that come and sing for you?
Actually, Sahil, I have not been, unfortunately, a student of music.
Okay.
Like, I have not been born in a family
Yes.
of music, like how Dada has his father and, you know, his mother, they were classical singers. I am more an academically literate person. I have done cost accountants,
Yes.
MBA finance and all
Yes.
of that. So my whole approach is, slightly different because unfortunately I have not learned too much of music. So I have started this thing called Learnings from the Legends, the distance between 99 and 100.
Right.
You know, like everybody sings so well, but there is one Lata Mangeshkar and
Yes.
one Asha Bhosle and one Bappi Lahiri, you know.
true. That's
There are so many people who compose music. There are so many people who sing classical and semi-classical, but there was one Mannada.
Yes.
There are so many ghazal exponents, but there was one Jagjit
Yes,
Singh.
yes.
And I have just been fortunate in this generation to have worked, the only composer of this generation to have worked with these people because of a few reasons. One is maybe it's just an interpersonal HR thing that I look at it from that lens, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because of having spent almost 2 decades in the corporate world,
Yeah.
climbing the ladder myself.
Yeah.
Before I branched out to composing music. The other is, I have tried to study each vocalist as they have grown. For example, when I now work very closely with Asha ji, I have realized that, she used to sing and Dada has made Asha ji sing innumerable songs. And Asha ji almost had a range of 2.5 octaves. But when you age, it's natural that your upper notes become lesser. She's 90, she's going to be 90. And the very fact that she's still singing is a very big thing, Otherwise, after 55, 60 itself, people's
Absolutely.
graph go
Yes.
down. But when I spend time with her, and I'm like a child to her, I see that her highest note now is C sharp.
Okay.
So I like to compose within C, for her. Because the moment I try to make her sing like she used to do earlier, then it will be unfair on my part. So that's how I think I've been able to
There's a
draw.
huge method behind also being or presenting these bigger singers across.
Yes, also like when I did with Lata ji, I remember, what we would call in the corporate world sample testing or, qualitative analysis kind of a thing. She played my song to her brother, Hridanath ji, who she is very fond of. And she told me later on after recording Kitne Ajeeb Rishte Hain Yahan Pe in page 3 that only because Hridanath endorsed and said, okay, you can go and sing with this debutante little composer, it's his first film.
My God, that was your debut, huh?
Yeah, it was my first film. I had never seen a recording in my life. I had never recorded
कमाल है।
anybody. Because हमने बचपन में हम सनी सुपर साउंड जाते थे, फेमस जाते थे, पता चलता महबूब में पप्पी दा का हम बोलते थे हमको जाना है 1 मिनट तो बाहर वाले लोग मार के भगाते थे. We had never been exposed to the environment, but the first time I suddenly had on the mic was Lata ji. And see, the thing is, those legends, which I said, the distance between 99 to 100. Today, Bappida has permitted me to sit next to him. My jaga is here. I should have been sitting here in this.
No, I feel the same way when the fact that he remembered me, I was like, oh God, okay, fine.
How has he even allowed me to sit next to him? Similarly, Lata ji, when she came to the studio, she bought a lot of food and she made me sit on top and she sat a little below. She's saying that आप composer हैं, आपका ओहदा मुझसे बड़ा है. मैं नीचे बैठूंगी, आप ऊपर बैठेंगे. So the moment Lata Mangeshkar tells you this, and the moment she goes on the mic and says, Tandon साहब, अगर मैं गलत गाऊं तो आप मुझे बोलिएगा.
But you never get nervous.
No. So that's what I'm saying. These legends, they make you like feel after 5 minutes that you are a legend, and, and I think that's the distance between 99 to 100, and that's the seek I want to give to all the current lot of singers and artists, that they need to understand this whole ecosystem,
Yes,
that a
yes,
composer is the
It started
creator of the
changing,
song.
and I would say this to you, Bapida and Shameed Bhai, because now on radio, every song, I have to take the lyricist's name, the composer's name, and the singer's name.
Thankfully.
For so long, it was just singer. Nobody, even the song cards never had the whole names.
Yeah.
Now there is a court order
Yeah.
that forces you to take all the names. I'm so happy that it's come. So
Finally.
now for the, it's a very, very,
nice.
though इज्जत जो देना चाहिए, जैसे writers को फिल्मों के लिए इज्जत देना चाहिए, it's very important. You know, you've grown up in an ecosystem that is so normal to have hit numbers, to have so much gold also. You earn the gold. I see that day there was a little more bling. Today that bling has been hidden because Bapida is sitting right here. So it's success is normalized in your house. Is it tougher then to impress within the family, or because you're the Laddu Raja of the family, so it's cool?
So it is little hard to impress my family because whenever I prepare some song or some dance moves or some dance breaks, so I show them here. My grandfather sits here, and then my whole family sits here, and I perform. And then so they like so they like whatever I do. If I read something, if I read a poetry or a monologue, or I sing or I dance, etc. And then everyone likes it. And then my grandpa, because he's a legend, because he knows much better than anybody in this house, and so he tells me in some places that इसमें थोड़ा सा और expressions लाओ, नहीं तो थोड़ा सा और huskiness लाओ, and then hold the high notes little precisely, and then so in every.
What does he need to work on?
Mainly, Rego based his success, whatever about singing, my daughter, Rema, Rema Lahiri Bansal,
Yes.
she has, मैं क्या बोलूँ, बहुत, मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं एक एक लाइन के ऊपर ध्यान दिया, गाना सीखो और सीखो, अभी भी कुछ नहीं, रात को बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करता है. This is good thing.
So yeah, so I wanted to say that.
Very good to my daughter.
Right.
Bansal.
But he's performing very well over there. What were you saying? You also perform in the night, is it?
No, so my mom, I love my mom the most. She's the best. And then, so she never leaves me before I do some singing practice in the house, or I listen to music and do my exercises and everything. And then she's the person who made me from when I was a baby. Like she put me into, of course, grandpa is also there, but mainly my mom.
Of course.
She's the backbone of me. Like.
So how do you feel like going to school and all? I know it's all online right now.
Yeah.
But you know, I've always wanted to know about children that come from such big families. Is school boring? Because when you go to school, half of them will be saying, "Tell us now more about your house." Of course.
Yeah, so some of my friends tell me, but school I don't find it boring at all.
Okay.
Because I love studying. And I like studying.
Academically inclined child.
Yes, so I'm good in all subjects. I just got my report card yesterday, and I saw all the subjects and all the exams were superb. And so I love to go to school because you get to enhance, like you get to discover more areas. You get to play. You get to meet your teachers, your friends. Yes, I don't find school boring at all, sir. So.
He's such a lovely child. I mean, you know, when you have like that little spark who's just naturally so enthusiastic about everything.
मुकम्मल बच्चा है.
स्टार्ट हुआ कुछ नहीं, जस्ट एक स्टार्ट है. समीर स्टैंडर्ड इतना अच्छा गाना बना है, हो गया. आगे बहुत जाना है, आगे बहुत कुछ करना है.
वो तो क्योंकि आप इसको वो कंपेयर
I want to be international star like Justin Bieber. इंडियन ना, एक दिन इंटरनेशनल जाओ, ग्रैमी का जाओ, ग्रैमी देखो. मैं जो सपना है, माय डॉटर ऑल्सो सेम सपना है, लेकिन सपना तो उससे हो सकता है.
करेक्ट.
अब हो जाएगा.
नहीं, वो दैट ऑफ कोर्स या.
रेमा जो है, आपको मालूम हो गया गाना था हबीबा.
मेरा तो फेवरेट है. इसमें कितना अच्छा गया. बुब्बा बुब्बा
हबीबा बुब्बा बुब्बा.
बुब्बा.
वो गाना रेमा ने गाई थी.
Yes.
At the age of 9 years.
Wow.
9 years. Little Star का टाइम में. तो घर में
The standard is very high for you, Rego. You're already a veteran compared to the rest of your family that started singing. But I want to hear Bachcha Party, of course.
Yes.
And the move has to happen, which we've seen everywhere. So Shamir sir, watch out.
ये बच्चा पार्टी में एक बात बोल देता हूँ. डिस्को को मैं लेके आया
जी।
इंडिया में, तो ये तो बात करेक्ट है। बच्चा पार्टी जो उन्होंने किया गाना, जो आजकल का जो स्टाइल है हिप हॉप स्टाइल,
जी
समीर जी बहुत अच्छा काम किया। मैं आपको बोलता हूँ इतना कैची, इतना रिदम, इतना बहुत ही अच्छा है।
I love the way he says bacha also. एक वो he's got a style of saying bacha party, you know, it's just very very nice.
Bacha.
Let's hear it.
Come on.
चिल नहीं करते, चिल्लाते हैं, स्पीकर हम खुद बन जाते हैं। चिल नहीं करते, चिल्लाते हैं, स्पीकर हम खुद बन जाते हैं। शर्म वरम इज अ ग्रोन अप थिंग, हम जो करें स्टेप बन जाते हैं। बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, बच्चा पार्टी चालू है। हैशटैग बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, बच्चा पार्टी चालू है। हैशटैग बच्चा पार्टी।
He's got high ambitions for Rego B, and if एक मोहर लग जाती ना एक लेजेंड की, एंड आफ्टर अपॉन अ टाइम 50% इज क्योंकि हमारा बच्चा है, लेकिन थोड़ी देर बाद 50% कैन दिस बच्चा बिकम दैट लेवल? Well, Bapida is there, and I think not just your mother, you're gonna have to live up to a lot of expectations, Rego B.
Yes,
I don't
sir.
think that it looks like you could have even one crease on your forehead, so don't worry. I think it's gonna happen very soon. Shamita, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
Bapida, thank you so much
Thank you
for
very much
just
after
taking out the
long
time.
time.
I will. Thank you so
बहुत
much.
अच्छा लगा।
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you very much. Till the next time, guys, take care, and I'm pretty sure very soon Rego's gonna be back. First of all, what does B stand for?
So, sir, so my whole name, sir.
Rego
so,
Bansal.
sir, no. So, sir, when I was born,
Yeah.
there's a huge funny story what happened, and then my real name was Swastik.
Yes.
My grandfather kept the name because
Yes.
it was a spiritual name.
Yes.
My mama told that he's not going to be a pandit ji, or he's not going to be a pujari. Why will you keep his name Swastik? He's going to be a rock star. He's going to be a worldwide famous singer. So everyone will say Rego. And the name Rego came from because my mom's name is Rema.
Okay.
So Rema ka Re, and my dad's name is Govind. So Govind ka Go. And Rego and B stands for my surname. So Rego B.
Perfect. There you go.
The B can also be standing for Bappi.
I was just gonna say.
So it's open to interpretation.
Till the next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.